Okay, this is the Nissan Titan center console. These are where the torque screws are. There's only about maybe 10 of them. And then it's easy to, take the cover off. Extremely easy. This is the pad, the original pad that went to it. And all I'm doing is basically just lining it up. You can see the double stitching right over here. And then you can see the double stitching over here. And just make sure the corners are okay. And then what I'm going to do then is just lay this piece on top of it. It's a little off right here, but you just even it out. I don't know if I necessarily center this over here, but just center it the best way you can. And then just use hot melt glue. Just do a couple of, sections at a time. And what I'll do is I will show you, after I finish hot melt gluing it, what it looks like and what I had to do to access these little torque screw holes so I can attach it back to the hinged, piece that's inside the vehicle. Anyway, be with you in a second. Okay, all done. Came out pretty good. What I did was I stretched it the long way first, and then I pulled it this way. I still had to do this. Well, actually, just wanted to show you what I did here. What I did was I just glued right on this edge right here. I put hot melt glue right along that ridge right over here, and I just held it. So it takes time, so just do as much as 2 hands can hold it. So it's probably about that much at a time, and just hold it until it dries. And something like this took me about 20 minutes to do. But, and that's with cutting for the holes and stuff like that. And that's basically about it. Have a great day. Hope this helps somebody. Take care. Bye.